ELIX Polymers is one of the leading manufacturers of ABS specialties with an experience of 40 years. In the last 3 years, this business was transformed from a pure production site to a vital, competitive and innovative supplier of ABS specialties.
In ELIX, service is fundamental and at the center of every task carried out by our employees. We ensure an excellent service based on 5 key factors: proactivity, flexibility, proximity to the customers, global presence and tailor-made solutions. In ELIX, we offer advanced solutions to our customers with our products and services.
The human capital is one of our core values. We have a perfect combination between talent, enthusiasm and experience. In ELIX, our compromise is to improving the team in order to face the actual and the new challenges.
Haber trabajado en ELIX Polymers durante 41 años ha significado para mí un crecimiento profesional y personal, rodeado de buenas compañeras y buenos compañeros.
ELIX Polymers offers a unique combination of products and tailor-made services in a fast and flexible way that only a company of the size of ELIX can provide. We constantly develop new and innovative products with the target of matching the ever-growing needs from end users and industries like automotive, healthcare, electronics and appliances. We currently have commercial relationships with customers in 40 countries and a large network of distributors, agents and own sales managers, both in Europe and in the rest of the world.
Quality of our product and service is one of the main priorities at ELIX and key in our commitment to our customers. We apply the highest industry standards to ensure the stringent requirements demanded in today's markets.
In ELIX Polymers, environment and safety are key aspects of our business operations.
For us, service is a commitment.
If we work together, we will cover the mountain goal.
Successful business in most of the cases is not a matter of price, but a combination of quality, product, innovation and the conviction to choose the right partner.